we got up this morning, did a bit of drone flying as you've seen, and had the best breakfast ever. Shiitake mushrooms, bloody poached eggs, hollandaise, amazing sausage. Don't know what it is, but it's really nice. Hash brown, tomato, bit of spring onion. Got some muffins, some fruit, dried fruit. The dried fruit here is absolutely amazing. It's so good. I've never tasted anything like it. There's dried kiwi fruit, dried pineapple, dried pawpaw. Yeah, it's so good, guys. And a beautiful iced latte. And it's raining this morning, but that's all good. And hopefully it'll clear up soon. We'll go for a snorkel. All right, guys. Speak to you later. Catch ya. This is Brownie. I've just been giving him a little bit of my sausage. I loved it.
Good boy. No?
Bad. There he is.
There.
Wow, look at that.
I am like.
Man, I wish I was snorkeling with that.
David Attenborough's daughter. I can spot everything. And then everyone tells me I see logodiles. That's not a logodile.
Wow, look at that.
Big ass monitor lizard. You'd shit yourself if you're snorkeling with that.
Wow.
He's pretty slow on land.
That's straight across from our room.
Look at him go. He was fast in the water, but now look at him. He's just cruising. They're like our bung arrow though.
Wow, it's huge. Yeah, imagine snorkeling with it coming across that. That'd be sick. You can't.
Stop it.
Yeah.
In the rain, singing in the rain.
Wow, look at the squid.
Wow, video that shit. Look at that. Oh my goodness.
Yeah. So here, Chelsea and myself are trying to clean up the ocean. So it's full of rubbish. One bag at a time.
Just gotta make sure there's no like octopuses hiding.
Yeah, be careful.
Look how much I've got. Mucus that protects it from toxic stings. Oh, they're toxic, those things.
Wow.
The clownfish acknowledges its presence to the anemone by rubbing against it so that the fish's mucus covering picks up the anemone's scent. The clownfish gains protection by living within the stinging tentacles of the anemone. How cool! So he's got all stuff all over him and he doesn't get stung by that.
Yeah.
There you go.
That's awesome.
Hello, little fella.
And Chelsea and myself just planted a coral, and hopefully that will live on and grow big. Awesome. So cool.
make the stars come out.
We haven't even had dinner yet. Check her out. She's out cold. Too much snorkeling.